Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to achieve a very easy makeup look. We're gonna go ahead and start with a freshly moisturized face, and then we are going to apply a primer. Right after that I will be applying my foundation, and this one is from Nars. Right after that I will be applying my concealer. This concealer is from Tarte. It is the Shape Tape concealer, and I will be blending it out with a beauty blender. Right after that, to set everything in place, I will be using a translucent powder. Now I do like to use two different ones. This one is waterproof, and then I also like to use a translucent powder. I will be listing the items in the description box if you are interested. To fill in my brows, I will be using this brow powder from Bodyography, and practically I just follow the shape of my brows and just fill them in. I do like to apply this, it's kind of like a clear mascara or clear gel on my brows, and that's just to set the brow hairs in place. For this makeup look, I will be using this palette from Too Faced. It is the Gingerbread palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. It is a soft pink, and I will be placing it with a flat brush on the lid of the eye, following up with a loose brush or fluffy brush, and I will be applying this brown shade on the crease of the eye. And again, this makeup look is super soft, so I want to keep it like that. For the bottom lashes, I will be applying this orange color, and notice that I only applied it on the outer half of the eye. To give this eye look some light, I will be applying this color. It's a champagne color on the tear dot of the eye and the brow bone. Now I'm going to get my lashes ready for falsies. You can also leave it like that, but I do believe that falsies make a huge difference. So I do like to use two different mascaras for the upper lashes, which is the Better Than Sex, and for the lower lashes I use this one from MAC. Now these lashes that I'm applying, they are not too big but not too small, they are just right, and I went ahead and used a clear glue to put them in place. For the bronzing, I'm gonna use this trio from Too Faced. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the darkest shade to bronze my face, and for the blush I'm gonna go ahead and use this one from MAC. To move on to the highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, and again I'm gonna go ahead and put in all the items that I'm using in the description box. And to top everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and do a pink lip. And my friends, this is the final result. I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.